makers of the world's most refined lasers comes the ultimate in handheld flashlights. The flash torch is a rugged, portable searchlight that is capable of producing an incredible 4100 lumens at the lens. Channeled through the heat-proof lens, the intense power of the torch can also incinerate anything in its path. From floodlight to fire starter, the torch will serve your every need. Contained with its heavy-duty aircraft-grade aluminum casing lies a dazzling 100-watt halogen lamp, powered by an improved lithium-ion battery pack that does not need to be removed. The torch has a longer, effective runtime and will maintain a constant brightness throughout a full charge. The torch now features 3 levels of brightness with the simple press of a button. To get the best and the brightest, you gotta get.
There's no doctor out here. No worries, you've got Zip Stitch. Surgical quality wound closure you can take anywhere. The same technology used in hospitals nationwide. Zip Stitch creates a strong, consistent closure throughout the wound that is proven to leave less scarring than stitches. Now you can treat cuts professionally on the spot.